So now is there any theory to hierarchy or get a hierarchy of this or decide a priority of this learning objective? Yes, there is a priority list possible, and that is given by revised Bloom's taxonomy. This is the scientist, this is the psychologist who has actually given this structure of thinking behavior, that is what thinking behavior should be seen stepwise is mentioned by this Bloom's, and we refer it as revised Bloom's taxonomy, that is RBT, and this is the structure, that is it starts from recall and slowly the thinking level is increased and goes to the finally to create, that is the open design problem solving. So these are all levels, and today's class we will see how to write learning objective for all these 6 levels. So this is being a first level, this is simply recall level, which just focuses on memorization and recall. So if you are listing something, if you are defining something, if you are stating the law, so there is nothing additional from students' point of view, they are just remembering the things and reproducing. So this is the first level. So to give you example, this is again a refresher, again I am using a same topic, that is basic logic gates, to write learning objectives. So this is at level 1, learning objective at level 1. What it says, draw symbol of, so students will be able to draw, logic symbol of AND gate. Expected outcome is student, already it is taught in the classroom what is the symbol of AND gate, and they will just reproduce it. So a simple learning objective here is student will able to draw a symbol of AND gate, that is all. So now what is the second level? Second level is the understand level. Now it is little bit higher than recall. What it means? It means that students should able to grasp meaning of the definition what is given, and they should able to apply that definition for a given situation or for given a problem. So action verbs which can be used are describe, explain, give example of, select example, so on and so forth. So these are few action verbs which can be used at understand level. What is the meaning of understand? Grasp meaning, and then that meaning should be, they should able to explain that meaning in the context of given problem. So let us see what is the example of this. Now student will be able to write truth table for given combination of gate. Now all basic gates are taught to them, all truth tables are explained to them. So what they are doing now, gate combination is given, they will use truth table for all basic gates. They will integrate this truth table and then come up with the comprehensive truth table for given combination of gates. So this is what is the expected outcome of the learning objective. See, yesterday we told you not to use understand as a verb. So here also this is not a verb, but this is the level, that understand is the name of the level. After recall, understand is the name of the level. So at this level you can use this type of action verbs. So when we use action verbs, we are not supposed to use understand as an action verb. Instead, this understand is actually label in blue. And for understand label, these are certain action verbs which you can use. So with this, now this is the activity time. Yesterday also you have done this activity. So what we will do here is, I will pose a multiple choice question, then participants, you can discuss and decide one answer, then you can vote for the answer, and that answers will be conveyed to us through a view poll. So now I am posing a question, please read the question carefully. Now what is the question? Which is the appropriate level of learning objective for this lesson plan? So let us see what is the answer. So the first two learning objectives are at very basic level, that is the recall level. Because drawing of the logic symbol or writing a truth table for given basic gate, Both the things are already taught in the classroom, they are just memorizing it and they can write it. So student effort is very less or negligible. While when the third learning objective is there, they are supposed to explain function of given combination of gates. That is, now they have to understand what are the basic gates, how they function, and then combine these gates and think how the output will be or how the entire combination will work. So the answer is this. The third learning objective is an appropriate learning objective. Now this is the activity for you. Yesterday also we did same activity. You will write learning objective for your course. Pair up with the partner. Whatever course yesterday you have written, you can continue with the same course or same subject, maybe same topic also. And you have to write one learning objective at recall level and one learning objective at understand level. 5 minutes will be given to you, and then the same process, the RC coordinator will compile learning objectives and can share few learning objectives with us.